Hey, what's up, fans? Welcome back to another lesson of today. So, we're gonna continue with the previous lesson we made about how you can improvise solo right chord progression, how you can solo right song. This is for mainly for intermediate guitarists. As a beginner, you can also try your luck. You can also try see how you can figure it out and play it as well, because it's gonna be a little bit tough teaching. Okay, but still, if you still want to continue learning it, if you want to practice, you can go ahead and figure it out. Okay. You're still gonna and try as much as possible to make sure I bring it down. I break it to the lowest part of it. Okay. So without wasting of the time, let's move straight to the video. But before that, if you know that is the first time you're coming across my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I have a whole lot of lessons concerning licks, soloing, improvisation, sequences, and a whole lot. You can go check it out. Okay. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna enjoy it, okay? I have a whole lot of lessons. And if you have any challenges, you have any video you want me to make, you can hit on the comment section. I'm gonna try as much as possible to, respond to that. Okay? Alright, so let's move straight to the video. So pick up your guitar. Okay, pick up your guitar now. Pick up your guitar. Okay, so now we did the first part, so let's play the second part. Let's play the song again. For many of you that didn't watch it, let's play the song again so we can. A Father, everlasting King, He is of the making of His And this is the first part. For many of you that didn't watch it, that was in the first part. Okay, so you can go ahead and watch the first part so you can understand. In the presence of the Lord, I will bring my gift. There is joy in my heart. It is flowing like a river. Now, hear the second part now. Okay, so now that you listen to it again, now we did the first part, which was using the harmonic sequence. Okay, so now the second sequences I played there was I played something like this. From this shape, this is me from the key of C. Remember, we did the lesson in the key of C. Okay. So have your me here. So I play something like that. Okay. Okay, just like walking along the progression. Okay. Ooh. Now, where I wanted to play the okay. So that was where I played. Okay, and I ended on the mi. This mi now represent either the mi chord. You can improvise. You can substitute to the mi chord. Okay, either the mi chord or you can play a do chord. Okay, stuff like this. Major 7. I play a major 7. Okay, so that's it. So I play from this C shape. Okay, I play re va re mo mi, re va mo mi, re va mo mi, la do ti, la do ti, la do ti, re va mo mi, re va mo mi, re va mo mi. The same thing we hear. You repeat it again. Now this plays and I play. So I just wanted something that would delay the timing of the progression, so I can hit on the mi here, which is the 1 chord. Do. Okay. So I had to play this so do si la, so do si la. That was where I played the la do ti, la do just like okay, just like this place. If I not play, re va re mo mi, just like yeah again. So we have. Okay. Mi fa sol mi do. Okay. So do re mi sol mi re do. So it's just like this is sol do re mi sol, sol do re mi mi sol. Okay, sol do re mi sol. That's a very good resolution licks. Okay, you have to play, or you can be using when you are resolving your progression. Or you can play. So I like using that scale a lot. This is another shape in the key of C. So I like using from my my kind of harmonic minor there. Okay, just like this shape. Okay. So I like using la ti do re mi fa. I make it more harmonizing. Okay. 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 So that was where it led me to that, where I applied the blues kind of stuff. So which I'm going to learn that and show you guys that in my next episode. So for today, make sure you stay tight and watch it to the end. Wherever you don't get it right or wherever you get confused, let me know in the comment section. Now you can also apply this in your own improvisation. If you're watching to this extent, just tell me in the comment section, thanks for the lesson. If you've watched to this extent, just tell me thanks for the lesson. I will really appreciate you that, okay? All right, see you guys in the next episode.